a sentiment, I think, that will be evoked again and again, that he's actually gone ahead to say that there are two dolls that have been kept in Ayodhya and is being called Lord Ram. We listen in to what he said, Prajwal, then we come back to you.
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇರೋ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪಾವಿತ್ರತೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಜವಾದಂತಹ ಇದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೋಸದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ರಾಮನ ಭಕ್ತರು. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಬಾಬರಿ ಮಸೀದಿ ಬೀಳಿಸಿದಾಗ, ಇವ್ರು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಗೊಂಬೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ಇವನೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ರಮೇಶನ್ ಗೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದವ್ರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮಗೊಂಥರ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ನನಗೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಟೂರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
And this man is a minister. He's a minister in the cabinet there in the Karnataka government. Prajwal, is there any response that has come in from the state government or the minister himself? Does he believe it's okay to say what he said? And when he says that there are two dolls kept in Ayodhya, one of them is being called Lord Ram.
Deepthi, in fact, there is a confrontation out there by the regional media where they have in fact gone ahead and confronted K.N. Rajana. They have confronted K.N. Rajana and questioned him, what do you mean by the comparison of dolls to Lord Ram, and how can you call Ayodhya a touring talkies of the BJP? Because the Ram Mandir does not belong to any particular party. It belongs to all the Indians, not only in the country but also across the entire world as well. So how can you go ahead and insult the emotions and sentiments of Indians across all the communities as well? To which the minister has again brazenly defended his statement, and he stated that in 1992, after the Babri Masjid was demolished, I had in fact been to Ayodhya. Over there, the BJP showed us two dolls in a tent and asked us to believe that it was Lord Ram as well. So I was not getting any sort of positive vibes, and I will stick to my statement. Later, after the consecration ceremony is done, I will go ahead and visit I'll go ahead and visit Ram Mandir, and I will see what has been kept there and if it is dolls or not. So he's brazenly again went on to insult Lord Ram, and he's also calling this a political gimmick by the BJP only to go ahead and secure and polarize votes. Meanwhile, there has been absolutely no sort of response by the government, because remember that the government in the state of Karnataka has been divided into two groups, mainly over the Ram consecration ceremony, and one team led by Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, Muzrai Minister Ramlinga Reddy, Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwara, as well as several Congress legislators are stating that we welcome this. We welcome the Ram Mandir as well. There is no need to politicize it, but we will definitely go ahead, go visit the Ayodhya as well. We have not got invites. If we had got invites, we would have visited on the 22nd of Jan, but post the Ram consecration ceremony, we will be going and visiting the Ram Mandir. But on the other hand, Siddaramaiah, D. Sudhakar, Anjaneya, and all the other ministers as well as former ministers are stating that Lord Ram is not only in Ayodhya, but he's everywhere to be seen as well. So you better stay at your homes and pray to Lord Ram is what they are politicizing. But all said and done, it's an ugly war of words between the Congress party in itself, Deepthi.
And you know, Prajwal, in Hindi there is a word called Dharm Sankat. I think that's exactly what sums up the situation of the Congress party. Can they stand with Lord Ram? Can they really look like opposing Lord Ram? And it's a tough balancing act, though Rahul Gandhi today has made it very clear that he believes that what's happening on the 22nd is a Modi show. That is why he will not be a part of it. We'll track that story and much more as always. A lot of details going up also on republicworld.com.